Hi, welcome to Sarah's Super Summer Sightseeing Saga. Today we're going to take on Picklesburgh. Let's go check it out. We gotta find the balloons too. Sugar. Oh my god! There's another. Wait, zoom into the large pickle down there. Oh, I gotta go see that Christmas pickle. Can you take a picture of me in front of the pickle? Actually, can I get a bacon and a hot dog one? I got this hot dog wrapped in a dill pickle. Let's try it out. Mmm. 8 out of 10. 7.5 out of 10. The pickle sorbet and the strawberry pretzel.